Sorely empowers Farragut FixIT to scale without limitations, allowing me to bring my creative visions to fruition. Farragut FixIT is a tech startup focused on repairing and reselling consumer electronics. Our customers are companies or individuals interested in purchasing secondhand electronics or repairing their existing ones. The inventory in our business consists of products we intend to refurbish and resell to businesses or individuals, including multiple types of consumer electronics, but primarily smartphones. The first step we have here is our trade-in and data input step. And what we do with this is we get phones from suppliers or individuals.
I'll grab the phones and then I'll start fresh from the first turn on the phone. And then I'll check through the settings and get the IMEI, which holds the most information for the phones. And usually I'll start from there and then go through all the information from the colors, the gigabytes, everything about the phone, and I'll put that into the systems.
Once this is done, it goes to a data revision stage where we make sure that all the information input into Sortly is correct. From this point, phones are either determined to go and be repaired, or they're determined that they're good to go, and then they get cleaned and pass through quality inspection. The ones that are repaired then go to this retest area where the workers make sure that all the components work. And after this step has been completed successfully, they follow suit through the cleaning and quality inspection. I maintain efficiency by making large-scale decisions based upon data and analyzing the movement of items digitally and physically.
It's greatly impacted my time management, and it also helps enable my productivity to make sure that I'm not missing mistakes, getting everything accurate, making sure that I do have so much time saved because of Sortly.
I manage cash flow by identifying where the most money is tied up and focusing on that area to speed up the progress. I manage profitability by purchasing in bulk and using pre-calculated formulas to set profit targets. Sortly helps by offering a clear, organized view of our inventory and related costs, making it easier to track and optimize profitability. My favorite Sortly features are the ability to export data into spreadsheets, manage item movement efficiently, and use QR codes for easy access. One of the most useful features, however, is the API, which allows us to tailor our own custom workflows and automate key processes to meet our specific operational needs.
I definitely love dark mode. That's more for mobile, but I personally like that. But bulk edit would be my favorite, especially when there's items that I've possibly missed. I can select the phones and put in the missing information.
Without Sortly, Farragut FixIT would be a less efficient version of itself with trouble scaling. We are excited for the future of our partnership with Sortly as we move forward with our business's custom development to create workflows that move in lockstep with Sortly.
What I love about Sortly is it helps a lot with my stress. Just the feeling of coming into work and knowing that everything is there in its place. I really could not have Sortly.